Have you ever carried the weight of everyone's problems, but ignored the weight pressing on your own heart? Have you ever been the strongest pillar for others, yet felt hollow inside? This is the story of Naveen, a humble farmer who gave everything away until he discovered the most powerful truth. Love must begin with yourself. In a quiet valley surrounded by tall mountains and flowing rivers, Naveen lived alone. He wasn't wealthy, he wasn't famous, but he was known for something rare: his endless generosity. If a neighbor's harvest failed, Naveen shared his grain. If a roof collapsed, Naveen gave his wood. If someone cried, Naveen gave his shoulder. The villagers often said, "Naveen is the strength of this valley." But no one noticed that Naveen's own home was crumbling. Every morning, Naveen rose before dawn. He carried flour for the old baker. He repaired broken fences for his neighbors. He worked in the fields until his hands bled. But when he returned home, his walls were cracked, his floor cold, his roof leaking. He whispered, "Tomorrow I will fix it." But tomorrow never came. One winter night, a storm swept through the valley. The wind howled, snow fell heavy, and roofs shook. A neighbor rushed to Naveen, crying, "My barn is breaking, please help." Without hesitation, Naveen ran into the freezing wind. He worked for hours, soaked and shivering, until the barn stood strong. But when Naveen returned home, his own roof collapsed. Snow poured in. Naveen fell to the ground exhausted. For days, Naveen lay weak and alone. No one came. Everyone thought he was busy helping someone else. He whispered, "I gave my strength to everyone, but I kept none for myself." His tears froze on his cheeks as the storm raged outside. On the third day, a wandering sage passed through the valley. She was an old woman with silver hair and eyes like moonlight. She saw Naveen lying in the snow and lifted him gently. She gave him water and warmth. The sage said, "My son, you cannot warm others if your own fire is gone. You cannot carry others if your own legs are broken." Those words pierced Naveen's heart. The next morning, Naveen rose slowly. His body was weak, but his spirit felt alive. He repaired his roof. He built a fire. He carved a sturdy bed. He planted seeds in his own garden. And for the first time, he sat by the mountain stream, watching the sunrise paint the sky gold. The villagers whispered, "Naveen has changed." But Naveen smiled and said, "I still help. I just begin with myself." He still gave, but only after filling his own cup. He still worked, but only after resting. He said no when he was tired. He said later when he needed peace. And slowly the valley began to understand. One evening a child asked, "Uncle Naveen, why do you look so happy now?" Naveen replied, "Because I finally learned loving yourself isn't selfish. It's the root of true love." The child's eyes widened, and that simple truth spread quietly through the valley. The valley changed. People began to care for their own homes, their own hearts. They still helped each other, but now with strength, not exhaustion. They realized that love is not about burning yourself out. It is about shining so brightly that your light naturally warms others. And Naveen? He sat beneath the stars each night, his heart full, his spirit strong. He whispered, "The world needs my light, not my pain." He finally understood that self-love is not a wall, but a foundation. It is not selfishness, but the beginning of generosity that lasts. Remember this: you cannot heal others if you are broken. You cannot love deeply if you do not love yourself first. Take time to rest. Take time to heal. Take time to love yourself, because only then can your love shine pure. If this story touched your heart, share it with someone who gives too much. And subscribe to Art of Mind, where every story helps you grow your soul. And remember your worth.